Hey everybody, it's me, Crystal Sings, and we're back on, I guess it's technically day 8, and I think my microgreens are ready to harvest. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, welcome back to my scuffed video. So I've got my microgreens over there. I've got a plate that I'm gonna put them on, and I've got some kitchen shears. There are my microgreens. Some of them are pretty tall, some of them are not as tall, but I think they still came out kind of pretty. Focus. Okay. But, I didn't follow the instructions to a T. I kind of didn't take pictures of them at the same time every day. And I didn't necessarily water them exactly how I was supposed to, but they're okay, I suppose. So, according to the card, I am supposed to can begin harvesting the microgreens on day 7 after planting. Harvest some each day, just a pinch goes a long way, or all at once, it's up to you. Use scissors to cut stems just above the soil and wash them thoroughly before eating. Okay, so we're gonna try and fail to do this. Monkey ass! Snip. Oh my. I think I've already failed. I'll pick them all up after I, Oh no! It's fine. It's fine, I'm gonna wash them anyway. It's fine. Okay, let me put this down. Let me put some on my little paper towel here that I got. This is so tedious. Alright, so I'm gonna probably continue cutting these at my table, and I will be right back. Okay, so I I ended up turning it kind of sideways to get them to fall out of the of this here. And there's some casualties left in the soil, as you can probably tell. Some of the leaves that are left behind, but I'm not gonna bother to pick those out because I think I got enough. You know, I think after this little experiment, I would probably rather just buy microgreens from the store as opposed to growing them myself. It seems like a little bit of a pain in the butt, and it's probably a little bit of a fail this first time. But you know, I haven't done this before, so it was fun. This is what I have left. I don't know if I can show you this without dumping all of my microgreens, but I'm gonna wash these shortly. So I'm gonna attempt to plate this now. They are washed. Oh, this looks fancy. I hope I washed them good enough. You can kind of see it. Probably should have took a picture of them while they were still in the basin. I think I managed to get everything that I could onto the plate. Now I'm gonna give these a try and see if they're any good. Okay, let's try. Let's try this big one with a little. It's not gonna focus. Try this big one with a little little thing kind of hitchhiking on the back of it. It's not gonna. Okay. Ah. Wow. Oh. Oh. It's kind of bitter now. It's really spicy. What the heck was that? Okay, this one's got a green leaf on it. Oh, it's kind of same. It's bitter, and then oh, it's really spicy. Are we sure this was something I'm supposed to eat? No, I was so excited. It doesn't really taste that great. Okay. Well. Oh. So maybe it's the radish. Sanga radish, purple kohlrabi, red cabbage. I think there was like some broccoli type seeds in it or something. Alright, so I nibbled a couple. I think I'm gonna grab like more in one time and then eat them. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. Like, there's really not much here. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat all of these. Oh. I'll fail. Oh my. Well, that was a little better all at once. Uh-huh. Okay, let's eat a little bit more. Let's torture me. Oh yeah, oh girl. I should spit that out. Oh, it burns. Blech. Okay, well, this was an experiment, and it was kind of fun, but I do not like the end results, I'm sorry. The last time I had microgreens, I actually really liked them, so maybe it was just a different plant or something, or maybe I did something wrong. Maybe they're a bit too old, I don't know. Let's see, let's try one of these little ones, maybe you can't tell at all that I'm even holding something. Yeah. It's not gonna focus. Oh, there, kind of focused. Let's try one of these little baby ones, see if that tastes any different. I don't think so. Didn't taste much of anything. Yeah, maybe the tall ones, they're just a little too old at this stage. They've already kind of got like the second leaves on them. Oh, you can't tell. It's gonna focus? There we go. La 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 la. Oh! Okay. I don't think I'm gonna torture myself with. Ooh! Okay, I didn't spill them. Oh darn. Alright, so. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this again, but it was a fun experiment, and I'm gonna have fun editing this video, hopefully. Yeah, maybe this is an experiment for you, even though I didn't really end up liking the taste of these, and I'm probably just gonna add them to my compost. Yeah, I had fun, and yeah, maybe if you like spicier things, this spicy vegetables, maybe this is something that you would like. It might taste better with dressing or something like that, like ranch or Italian dressing. But yeah, it's not really my thing. But I am glad I tried it. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please let me know down in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that. How could you forget that? And also don't forget to click that thumbs up. I will see you in another video. I hope you have a good one. Take care. Bye.